Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Na 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 na. I put the batteries in your back, so I'ma call you when I'm coming right back. And if you still insist, I'ma pull up to the towns and I'll be there by.
Hey guys, Dee here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're back again with another hair video. This hair is from VIVI Hair, a company on Amazon, and I love them. Like, you guys don't understand, great customer service, and they ship very fast. Even though like we're in like quarantine or with the whole situation that's going on, they are shipping so fast. So you guys need to get put onto VIVI Hair. Anyway, so this is their Brazilian water wave 150 density, and this hair come with baby hair. Obviously you guys gonna see this is a 4x4 closure, and you guys, you don't even have to do much to this wig. Like, I didn't even really have to talk in the video. I'm gonna let you guys watch it so you can like see I didn't really do much. I forgot to mention, this hair also came pre-plucked, so like I said, you didn't really have to do much. And again, fast shipping. Like, my hair came in within like 4 days, period. Okay guys, so don't forget to subscribe, okay, to like this video. Stay tuned for my final thoughts on this hair.
Or we take a trip out to Panama. Don't mind them haters, they just blah blah blah. So from Goku won't wait contact, cause we can fly away, very very far away, everybody out our way, cause it's only you I crave, and with me I say, who cares what the haters say, there's nothing left to say, just make them day their day, I'm on too nice, to find no mistake shit. I'ma throw the quad to make sense. So nice, finesse, cause your body so, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Na 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 na. I put the batteries in your back, so I'ma call you when I'm coming right back. And if you still insist, I'ma pull up to the towns and I'll be there by 6, so tell me what time is valid, cause I can't lie, you a baddie. Pretty dark skin with a fatty, send me the addy. Tell me the right time, give me the best time. We need perfect time and low. I realize that we on the right track. Once you type back or no, see, I really want you. You know what I'm going through, I already told you. This is what we going through. I be speaking French when we kissing, baby, bonjour. Cause you turn me on and I can't wait to put it on you. Girl, you so attractive, looking like the baddest. I wanna do this all night long. I wanna do this all night long. She give me one time, oh yeah, here we go. She told me, baby boy, keep it on the low. The way she riding up and down like she's on the pole. Then I took her soul, I'ma let me take control. I'm on too nice, too fine, no mistakes yet. I'm on to that wide, to make sense. Girl, I'm on my way to you with the quickness, cause your body's so nice with the fitness. Take you with me, Lamborghini, round the city. Oh, don't kill me now, don't kill me now. Oh, you so pretty now, you so slitty now. When you give me kitty now, ba-da-da, looking so fly like ba-da-da. You're ba-da-da and them by far, my sexy superstar. Let's have a day at the spa, or we take a trip out to Panama. Don't mind them haters, they just blah blah blah. So from Goku won't wait contact, cause we can fly away, very very far away, everybody out our way, cause it's only you I crave, and with me I say, who cares what the haters say, there's nothing left to say, just make them day.
You guys, so here is the hair. Like, you can't tell me anything. You cannot tell me anything. I love this. 4x4 are so maintainable. So this hair is from VIVI Hair. This is their so like I was saying, this hair is from VIVI Hair. Woo. Okay, so I love them. This is my 3rd time working with them, and when I say good quality, like good quality, this is 150 density. This is 20 inches. It's like right here. This is 20 inches and it's 150 density. It's a 4x4 lace, and this hair is pre-plucked. As you guys saw, I didn't really have to do much to this hair. Only thing I did was add concealer onto the lace, and that was it. I didn't bleach the hair. I didn't bleach the nail or none of that. I did wash the hair, but this hair is bomb. Okay, if you're not a big fan of like closure wigs or like stuff like that, I mean lace front, you should definitely like invest in a 4x4, because as you guys can see, it's coming out my scalp and y'all need to get it. With the wig you get a wig cap, and that's pretty much it. I love this hair. I do recommend this hair. I don't recommend nothing bad on my channel. So, and look at the curl pattern. Like, this hair is so soft. 150 density. Like, I do recommend this hair to the fullest. So if you are interested in a 4x4, I suggest going to VIVI here. Everything else, like the link, the information will be in the description box, and I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video.
Superstar, let's have a day at the spa, or we take a trip out to Panama. Don't mind them haters, they just blah blah blah. So from Goku won't quick contact, cause we can fly away, very very far away, everybody out our way, cause it's only you I crave, and with me I say, who cares what the haters say, there's nothing left to say.